शेयर किया था।
हाँ, जो भी है ले लो एक्शन।
ठीक है।
Sir, I think we are live. Just let me have a quick check over Facebook.
Okay.
Because sometimes क्या होता है, it shows that you're live and it doesn't go there.
Okay. You please check it.
All right. So we are live. Can I start?
No, it is not showing. This is not.
It is not showing. My man is saying.
Sir, I'm already live. I just asked them to go to their page. I think they will figure it out. Can I start? We are already live.
Okay, you can start.
All right. So did they find out? Figure it out.
Just
Yes.
yeah. Okay.
All right.
No. Okay.
Hello everyone. I'm Kalpana Chaudhary, founder of Social Tables, managing trustee and chairperson of Jan Seva Foundation, Being the Change, and Lagna.com. Lagna.com is a matrimony portal for differently abled cancer and acid attack survivors. Along with it, co-chairperson of ASSOCHAM State Women Entrepreneur Development Council, GSDC, member at FICCI Flow, CIIIWN Maharashtra Women Economic Forum, and TEDx speaker. Before diving into the guest introduction, I would like to take a moment to introduce you with Social Tables. Social Tables is committed to sustainable development program with societal well-being and environmental consciousness. Every week, we bring out to you some of the brightest minds from the diverse sector to discuss over a few significant ongoing issues. In this week's speaker series, we have our honorable guest, Mr. A.K. Gupta. Shri A.K. Gupta ji holds the position of Executive Director, IT Services, heading IT and e-commerce division in IFCO at its corporate office, New Delhi. IFCO name and fame at the national and international level in fertilizer sector. Besides, IFCO has diversified into sectors like general insurance, rural mobile telephony, oil and gas, chemical, pesticide. IFCO has also presence in Senegal, Oman, Dubai, and Jordan. Wow. Shri Gupta has widely traveled and participated and addressed numerous prestigious IT seminars in USA, Europe, Canada, Australia, and other South Asia countries. Shri Gupta ji has brought so many laurels to his organization by winning very prestigious national and international IT award with Oracle Cloud Platform Innovation at Oracle Open World 2019 at San Francisco, the recent one. He is truly optimistic and believes in helping people to achieve more in life. A very warm welcome to you on our today's speaker series, sir.
Thank you. बहुत धन्यवाद.
It's an utmost pleasure to have you here with us today. So in today's discussion, we are going to discuss about the use of information technology in agriculture. Well, so what are the digital initiative of IFCO in agricultural sector?
Okay, first, I am really thankful to Madam Kalpana, and I am really feeling privileged to provide me such a great platform and giving me an opportunity to speak to all the viewers and particularly the agriculture sector people. Luckily, the lockdown, I will say, for some it is a boon. So it's a boon for me in the sense this lockdown has provided me this opportunity to use digital media for reaching to the people. One. Second, although I should not say, but in agriculture sector, the lockdown come as a really a boom. In fact, if you see the overall growth, it is the only sector where the economy has registered a positive growth in the agriculture sector. That's something good from that side. Now, I will say the government is very much concerned to uplift the farmers for the better quality of life. Government has set the target for doubling the income of farmers by 2024.
Yes.
But achieve this goal, they are taking sincere effort,
Mm,
multi-pronged approach they are taking,
mm,
right from sowing to harvest to the sale.
mm,
So that's why our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has declared a package of 1.5 lakh crore stimulus package for farm gate infrastructure
mm,
and
mm,
for other related activities and logistics. So definitely this will be a big thing, and it is going to be a big opportunity for not only the farmers but all the people who are in this supply chain, integrated supply chain, maybe the warehouse people, maybe the logistic partner, or the IT people. It's a big opportunity for IT companies in India. So this is the great thing, and all of you definitely know, IFCO means farmer,
mm,
and farmer means IFCO. So IFCO directly having on board 5 crore farmers and 2.6 crore farmer database we are already having as a registered farmers on our digital platform. They are
mm, mm,
36,000 cooperative societies
mm.
spread across all part of the country, right from Kanyakumari to Jammu Kashmir and Gujarat to Seven Sisters, Andaman, Nicobar also,
Yes.
everywhere.
Mm,
And fortunately, IFCO is there for the last 50 years in the service of farmer. So
mm,
that were ground services like soil testing, advisory to the farmer,
mm,
providing the fertilizer, chemical fertilizer, biofertilizer, maybe the seeds, water soluble fertilizer, couple of things, so many things to the farm. But
mm,
now the total focus of IFCO is shifting from chemical fertilizer
mm.
to the latest technological advanced fertilizer like nano fertilizers
Yes.
or water soluble fertilizers,
Mm, mm, mm,
biofertilizers.
mm,
So all this great initiative to change the quality of produce, when it will change, it
yeah.
will have better nutritious value and very good for each and every one of this country, each and every person of this country. So behind all this mission and vision, there is a one man who is working day in and day out for the upliftment and benefit of the farmer is Dr. Uday Shankar Avasthi. He is our MD. He is really uh, thinks and thinks and thinks only for the farmers, only for the farmers, and only for the farmers.
Wow.
So we are working under this umbrella. And if you see traditionally,
Yes.
it is the use of IT technology is a widespread in the developed countries.
Mm,
Country like Australia, New Zealand, South Korea, Taiwan, Israel, UK, US, already using the technology. IT technology doesn't mean only to the crops.
mm,
It's a, if you just look at it, where the technology is being used,
mm,
first level to supply the agri inputs, maybe
mm,
the seeds, maybe the agri machineries, okay, climate information, weather information, sowing patterns,
mm,
market rates. Then after sowing, they harvest. So agri machine, technically IT operated machines,
mm.
can use the entire agri machinery from your mobile phone sitting at your home. You can
That's
do the farming. Yeah. So
incredible.
yeah. So that's the thing. So the next stage is the harvesting. You can fully use the IT technology. And then of course, in ascertaining the quality of your produce, what is the nutritious value of your produce, what is the market price in different places, you can decide where to sell your produce. So again, the technology is playing a big role. And then the entire integrated value-added supply chain, the logistic part is also being done, and ultimately the money is being transferred into your bank. So all these are IT driven process, and the developed country, again I repeat, are already reaping the benefits of this advancement in AI based, ML based technology in their country. Fortunately, there the people are highly literate and economically sound. They have the equipments like laptop, desktop, the smartphones, and above that, the technology which is easy to use. They are using it and taking the benefit. But there is a silver line here also. Fortunately, I feel that people in India, our farming community in India, they are also getting economically sound day by day. Tell me, Kalpana, you will find a single person in India who doesn't have the phone?
Everybody, even the maids have it, even the children.
Yeah, even
Yes,
the, that's true.
that's a
And
fantastic way to empower.
yes, even the women, you must have observed,
Yes,
even rightly said the maid servant, even the farming woman
yes.
is holding a mobile on her ear and at the same time doing the crop work. So
Group
you
work.
must have seen those pictures. So fortunately, they had the mobile phone, the mobile technology penetration. I think you will agree with me is a huge penetration in all segments of the society.
Totally agree.
And the technology which is coming is totally mobile responsive.
Hmm.
So they can use, they don't require, it means the costly laptop, 50,000,
Hmm.
don't require desktop,
Hmm.
okay, no power issues.
Hmm.
And at the same time, we are again thankful to the service provider by virtue of them. The entire country is having an internet connection and the bandwidth and the voice connectivity. I think you will agree to a greater extent.
Yes, yes,
To a greater extent. So it means now we can have a code with each and every person of this country.
yes.
The next issue comes the language, okay,
Hmm.
and their literacy, wherein they can operate the portals or
Hmm.
websites, or they can do
Hmm.
the transactions. So,
Hmm.
you know, God has given the voice to each and every person.
Hmm. Hmm.
And technology has given the mobile phone. So everybody is holding a mobile phone in his or her hand, and God has given us the voice. So now there is a technology called intelligent chatbot integrated with the voice. It can be a Google voice or a Amazon or
Yes.
any other platform or a Oracle chatbot. So voice integration with your chatbot. So is there, we have done it in IFCO in our various modules. I will explain one by one to you. Now the people on their mobile phone, like AK Gupta want to know what is the salary this month. If I ask my mobile, what is my salary this month, it will tell. If you want to know what is the sales figure of urea in UP, it will tell this is the sales figure. If you
Wow.
want to know credit my balances, leave
Yes.
balances, credit and apply for 2 days leave, it will apply. So these are the technology available. So now we can bring a big change in agriculture sector in the entire country. The technology available, devices is available, and means of communication is available. So in this direction, coming like you, Kalpana, I don't take it other way around. By your look and by your style, you look to be very urban. Okay, and so people like you who are living in urban, me
Hmm.
also living in Gurgaon. So urban people are using the all e-commerce site for their day-to-day need. I
Absolutely.
think you agree with me.
I
Sitting
do.
at home, you are ordering your food, ordering your groceries, ordering your perfumes, ordering whatever you require. you are using Amazon, then you are doing the air tickets booking,
Yes.
everything you are doing, money
Yes.
transfer, everything you are doing. So you tell me one thing, why not my rural people do the same thing?
Absolutely.
Where it is written, only the urban people can use it.
Mhm.
So looking into this,
Mhm.
uh, we have thought to provide a similar platform
Mhm.
for our farming community so that they come on that platform and from the entire country
Mhm.
place an order
Mhm.
for any agri input like seed, biofertilizer, fertilizer, water soluble fertilizer, whatever they are using, agri machineries, they can place an order. So that portal by the name IFCO Bazaar, we have developed and released to the farming community. So now you will love to know there is no minimum order value. Any person you can give 50 rupees order also. And entire country 22,000 plus pin codes means anywhere where a letter can be delivered, the IFCO product will be delivered to the farmer at his doorstep. And the best part is no delivery charges.
Wow.
Yeah, if you are in Kanyakumari, you just order an item 50 rupees, it will be delivered at your doorstep, no additional cost, nil.
And how do you do that?
That's although we are doing it.
50 rupees
That
is just a very small amount. And imagine if you're saying from here, if you have to send it to Kanyakumari, you're okay with sending even with a 50 rupees order and no charges at all. That's
no
incredible. That's
no
incredible.
charges from the customer because I said IFCO is farmer and farmer is IFCO. Our
Wow.
management viewpoint, our visionary Dr. US Avasti said no, let us, they should also get, my point is the same.
Hmm.
My rural people, my farmers should get the same benefit what our rural generation is enjoying. They are getting. They should be at par with them. So looking into that philosophy, so we are kept. And now the point is, if you will say a Telugu guy, farmer,
Ah,
how he will work on portal
ah.
in English.
Yes.
So we have developed this portal in 12 languages. A Malayali will come on the portal on Malayali. Everything will be Malayali. Gujarati, Gujarati, Assami, Assami, and Punjabi, Punjabi. So language, 12 languages the portal simultaneously work on that. So luckily after just we have started very recently and you will be happy to know, I think so, there have been 60,000 shipment so far
Wow.
in the entire country. And there are a couple of agencies who got connected with us,
Hmm.
and we have started in this direction in a big way.
Hmm.
Uh, Responses good, and it is farmers. Someone they comment like this: "Ki there is a nearest shop is 50 kilometer from my village."
Wow.
Now he can order the item from that place. Now there is another aspect to it. Like you are in a city, you are
Yes.
living. If you are your relative or your dad or your brother happen to be in the village and doing the farming,
Hmm.
how you can help it?
Yes.
So by doing some study on the website, you can order and give the shipping address of your relative or your daddy or brother who is in the village. The material will be received by him in the village directly, and he
Wow.
will start using it. And
Something
he
what
will say
Amazon.
one thing: my daughter Kalpana has sent, so I
Yes.
am going to use it. So it will make the use of it. So this is one initiative. Uh,
E-gift, you can call that.
huh?
E-gifting.
E-gifting. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You are giving me a new word. In next time I will speak, we are doing the e-gifting.
Thank you. Yeah.
So that's the good. So this is a great initiative and we are putting our level best The entire organization is working for our farming community. The cost is, I tell you, for farmer, anything for the farmer, the management always look, we are ready to spend for the farmers. That is our income. It is not an expenditure.
Wow, that's a great way to help both farmers and Yuva. These are the important problems, issues, I would rather say, and you're doing it in a great way, in like job eradicating it. Well, great job eradicating it.
Yeah.
Wonderful, sir.
So
Incredible.
just one more initiative, as you said, we are running a IFCO Yuva portal that is for skill development to employment, complete cycle of. For
Oh,
the rural youth, it is a rural centric. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Oh, one more thing I can share for IFCO. It's not only for the rural, it is for the urban people also. Like if you are very fond of kitchen gardening,
Yes.
okay, or lawn gardening, okay.
Yes.
So there are bundle of product, magic soil. There are so many products for urban people for who are doing as a hobby. So they can also come on the site and order the products, and it will be delivered in Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta. It's
Wow.
not only for the,
Anybody can come and take it.
yeah,
Anybody, irrespective of being a farmer or no farmer.
yeah, definitely. And
That's
there's a special gift for the women also in that. Okay.
wow.
So that
Wonderful.
is now the portal I am talking about IFCO Yuva. It is
Yes.
again with the intention of providing an helping hand to our rural youth. If you are an MBA or a doctor or an engineer or chartered accountant or any other professional, so you can get a job using Naukri.com or
Yes.
Monster. You can pay also from your
Mm.
pocket and join any of this.
Mhm.
But this portal has been developed looking into the people who are ITI or a
Oh.
diploma holder or a plumber, electrician, welder. So they should get the job where they are living
Yes. Yes.
and
Yes.
uplift the society over there and
Mm.
help simultaneously their family. So
You have made life very easy. I would rather call it as ease of doing business at their own place, sitting at the rural area. They don't have to travel urban city.
yes, that's a aim. That's what we are wishing to achieve through this portal. And there the candidate, they can register and look for a job in their area. Like if I am in a Kota, I will find search Kota job. So it will list all the jobs in Kota. Okay. And for applying, he has to just 3 steps and he can apply. There's no charges directly or indirectly.
Wow.
The
That's,
candidate.
that's what I call empowerment.
Yeah. And again, the portal is available in 10 languages. If a rural guy who is from, you can say Bengal or from Gujarat or from Tamil Nadu, so they can work in their own language. So it is not necessary he should know English fully. Okay. So that is the aim.
Very easy as well.
Yeah. So similarly, the employer, they can get themselves registered and directly place the job on the portal and can screen the candidate himself. So, and there are no charges from the employer directly or indirectly.
Wow.
We are facilitating them. So far, just you will love to know we have already crossed 1 million people as a site visitor on that. And currently today I checked 148 jobs are live even today, and more than 17,000 jobs have been placed so
Wow.
far to this portal. So and around 1,78,000 candidate are registered on this portal,
They are
and
only farmers?
no rural youth
Rural youth. Oh, wow.
and around 800 employer pan India. They are registered and they place the jobs time to time.
That's wonderful, sir.
So this is another digital initiative uh, from IFCO, and this is on the public side for the use of the people.
Yes.
And of course, in due course of your questions, I will keep on answering. There are so many things which we are doing.
Recently, IFCO engaged with the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology,
Hmm.
SPEB, right? Please
Yeah.
elaborate the relationship.
Oh, that's a wonderful idea. It's a common service center who provides the services to the all people, all citizens of India. This is a government body, and they a force of 3.9 lakhs. They call it say a CSC VLE, village level entrepreneur. These entrepreneur are in the village, and they may be 12th pass or a BCom, whatever it is. They can be a 10th pass also. So they are providing various government initiative and services to the people who are living in the nearby, so that people need not to come out. That is the concept of ministry.
Okay.
Now these, since these youth are in the village side, they are also making their livelihood from this business. So average out, it has been find out the average income is around 12,000 rupees a month for
Okay.
that. So still you can understand 12,000 is not that good amount, even in the village side. So one target is how to increase the income of those. That is the concern of ministry. Okay. So that they become a real village level entrepreneur. If they will make the money over there, they will not rush to the rural, urban areas. That is the aim. Second is, as you know, whatever application you develop, it is very, very difficult for farmer to use that application on their mobile. Still, it's a challenge. It's evolving, but someone has to start.
Yes.
Just to facilitate the farmer to place an order for various products on the portal, these 4 lakhs people are facilitating and helping the farmer, and on their behalf, they place the order on the portal, and at the same time, they get 4% as a facilitating amount. Let's say if yearly by the evening he places 5,000 rupees order on behalf of farmer, so he will get 200 rupees as an incentive.
Wow.
Then and there itself, the moment he places the order, he will get the money immediately. In less than second, he will get the money.
Wow.
Facilitating amount. So if he work for a month, he can make easily 4 to 6,000 rupees as an additional income. So it is 4 to 6,000 for him. It is 150. Going from 12,000 to 16,000, it's a big amount for him. And farmer over a period of time will also learn how to place the order. So that is the way how the farmers are going to be get benefited, and our VLEs are going to increase their income, and the spread of and awareness of the portal.
Is IFCO also skilling them on the same? Because I'm sure there are farmers who are not skilled as well.
Yeah, IFCO is skilling the farmers, conducting various awareness and training programs, and calling the farmers at various places and doing the demonstration to them. And in the lockdown period, by webinars and other means, we are trying to educate them, calling them at our audit. We have the audit in our plants. We call the farmers, they stay there and try to spread the awareness for various agriculture practices.
Wonderful. And I'm sure they'll be benefited by this. It will also help to widen the reach as much as possible. Well, sir, farming in India has always been considered as a tech illiterate sector. Do you think the current business situation will uplift the usage of technology in the whole farming ecosystem of farmers, retailers, and transporters?
Oh, yes, ma'am. What you said, really true. And rather, I will also like to interact with you. Maybe 5, 6 years back, it was true. and we used to always think they are illiterate and they will not able to use
Yes, yes.
but with the advent of technology, penetration of the smartphone,
Mm.
and the connectivity, again, I will say, has improved. Again, I am thankful to the ISPs. If you will find, there is a quite good usage of Facebook,
Yes,
WhatsApp.
yes,
Okay, I will not name, but TikTok also. I should not.
yes, yes. TikTok
So,
very highly. Yes,
and even the progressive farmers in the villages, they
Hmm.
are doing the financial transactions also, like
Yes,
transfers. They
yes,
are using Paytms.
yes, yes,
Okay. Now the fertilizer, if you see the fertilizer for purchase of fertilizer, they have to use the post machines.
yes,
Okay. Without using a post machine, they cannot get the urea.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you believe the entire country, the sale of fertilizer has increased? And in lockdown, 30% increase in the sale of FIFCO in the
Wow,
fertilizer. And all through post machine.
wow.
But I think you can also comment. I feel so in the last 5 years, uh, maybe the ease of technology, equipment, there is a quite good penetration of digital means in our rural areas. So the technology has been uberized. It has become so simple. Even the illiterate people are able to use these platforms, what I am talking to you. So I think this is a very good sign. And if tomorrow we roll out the new initiative, maybe by people like you and me, the platforms and the private people and Ministry of Health, Education, uh, all initiative, what to mention. So
I'm
they, it may take some time, but they are ready. I always say, you just provide the value and override the operation.
Mhm.
Just see how the things get better.
Indeed, indeed, sir. It is so true. I think through this, farmers will start learning more new things and will help them in future and in need. But I also personally feel this wouldn't have been possible without IFCO giving, so many trainings or through webinars, as you said, and you're ensuring that everybody's been skilled and used in a right way. So incredible work you're doing, sir. You're heading an IT department as well, the IT services and all, and you're doing amazing work. And I've also seen in news as well. So it makes me feel so proud when people like you are doing such good work without any, it's a selfless service. I would rather put it in that way. And thank you so much, because farmers ko काफी लोग ignore कर लेते हैं, and IFCO is an organization who is really taking care of our farmers.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
certainly.
any new areas where you are deploying digital and automating process in agriculture sector?
Yeah, madam, that's true. Today, the business is, as you know, like you and me, and the people who are connected with us.
Yes, sir.
So can they afford disruption, even this talk?
Hmm.
No.
No.
So how one can afford the disruption in manufacturing and sale? Everything is seamless integrated, and
Hmm.
it's integrated supply chain management.
Hmm.
So all our process, all our plants and marketing and finance and business function has to be seamlessly integrated.
Yes.
Okay. So even during the lockdown, our plants being in the away from the cities,
Hmm.
so the impact of lockdown was not much over there.
Hmm.
Plant has to run,
Hmm.
plant were running,
Hmm.
but at the same time,
Hmm.
there has to be a logistic to supply
Yes.
and distribute amongst the complete chain.
Hmm.
So for that, you need a very robust system.
Yes.
So looking into the future,
Hmm.
looking into the point, the availability, it
Hmm.
should be 100% available.
Hmm.
It should be cost effective.
Yes.
and the response to the user
Mm.
should be highest. Like you and me still can afford for some time, but the generation who is just new one from 18 years to 21 years of age, they want everything on the click of the mouse.
Yes.
Moment they click, it should come.
Yes.
Okay. So for that, you need the excellent response time. And for business purpose, you have to uh, sustain. So your operation should be economical also. So luckily we have gone on cloud, Oracle-based cloud, all 5 plants IT infrastructure.
Mm.
For the last 3 years now, it is based in India. The Oracle has created a cloud. Earlier we were using from Europe. Okay.
Okay.
So trust me,
Mm.
in 3 years, not a single second disruption in the services of the IT.
Wow.
And even we do have the corporate on-premise data center.
Yes.
From in the lockdown period, it was unmanned. It
Mm.
was unmanned.
Mm.
And the entire operation was running as it is. Our financial closure, annual closure was on 31st March itself.
Wow.
And by the 10th of April, all our statutory auditors, everything has been done within the same spirit and in a faster way. That is it. And about that, ma'am, I will like to share. I don't know whether I should share this thing or not,
Please.
whether it is worth or not.
To.
But during this period, I am not promoting any platform, but we are user of Team, WebEx, and Polycom as a VC. And recently, before lockdown, we have gone for Zoom also in a big way.
Mhm.
So in lockdown period, the entire top management has been trained and oriented for video because they can't come to the office and show has to run. So continuous meeting will be there of the top management with the middle and to the down people, every the entire country. So we have used Zoom like left and right. And there were so many things were coming in the media, in paper, in TV. Ban it, ban it, ban it.
Yes.
Stop
Yes.
it, stop it, stop it. Then use it, use it, use it. Use with the MHA guidelines. The Ministry of Home Affairs, they have issued a guideline how to use the Zoom with the safety features. So we kept on doing. You want to ask?
But still, MEA, the government of India ministers, central ministers, especially when I'm calling on them on the Zoom platform, they refuse to come here.
Okay, there is some myth. Only thing is it has to be awareness. I am not challenging anyone, but clearly MHA guidelines says with features like it is a different subject. But since you are touched, so if you use the Zoom meeting, virtual meeting with a waiting room feature with every time password changing,
Yes,
there
yes.
are any features. If you use it, don't use it as a plain vanilla. You use with along with the features. Okay, then it is quite safe and it is as per guideline. One. Second, people have a myth that it is a Chinese. It's a different matter, but definitely it's an American company. Nasdaq, it is being listed at the Nasdaq. It's a pure American company.
Zoom.
Zoom, and headquarter in San Francisco, San Jose. Uh, the only thing is his owner is a China origin. Like if you Pichai is a Indian origin.
Okay,
So
okay, okay,
how
okay.
you will say Pichai, that company, the Google, it is up to you how you.
Something which we didn't know.
So
Lot
it's like that. Yeah. And only thing, it was so upcoming platform recently. So there were some technical bugs in the Zoom, and by which you can get into the meeting of other person.
Yes.
Initially there was many loopholes and people have started exploiting it. So they have plugged, they have revised the versions. Now the latest version is 5.2. I am drifting from the topic, but anyhow, if you permit me, I can speak.
Yes, sir, please go ahead. This is something a lot of us have to know, the basic.
So the latest version, they have agreed, they have taken, the best part is Zoom agreed that there are bugs, there are loopholes, but they said in 90 days we will remove all this, and they have done it.
They've
So
done
now
it.
it is on the latest platform. All children are using, educational institutions are using, and it is quite safe with the guidelines. But they are also evolving. They are also saying they never thought of it will go in this way. Okay, it is just 5 6 year old 10 years old company. A small group of people have started in
And
US,
look,
and now it is $122 billion valued company. Can you think in 2 years time it is so valued, and they are doing things anyway. So my point is we have conducted religiously all our monthly board meeting, all our directors sitting from Kanyakumari to Jammu and Kashmir and Gujarat to Seven Sisters. Okay, all our directors joined on the that platform, and every month there is a board meeting smoothly on this platform, and you will really appreciate. I think recently IFCO has become the world only cooperative in the entire world who has done his AGM using the hybrid model, physical presence in the entire country with the virtual,
platform.
connecting the people on the webinar and on the Zoom platform, connecting people from the entire country,
Wow.
and it's been conducted very, very smoothly. So for this,
Congratulations.
I need congratulations and motivation from you. My management has a big trust in the IT team of IFCO, and that trust and confidence has led us to go for first AGM of any cooperative sector of such a big, large
Percentage.
scale, and more than 830 delegates, all languages, and 35 people have posed the question, and they have been answered on that. So that is the, I thought, let me share with
So
you on.
tough time also can, get such innovative ideas. And
We really enjoy. We enjoy to take challenge, and because the management have a trust and faith in us, they say you try. If there is something wrong, we'll handle. Don't worry. You go
certainly,
ahead. Yeah, so that's a, and how the you even you can do it. I am doing. You can do it. Other can do it. The
certainly.
best part, it is the management. Is the managing director. It is Dr. U.S. Awasthi, who who post so much confidence in you and trust. So what you will do? You don't have any option but
That's
to
what
perform.
that's what is all about leadership. Who is leading from the front? Who is having the faith in you? Who is and that keeps you motivated and do something which is not possible, and you succeed in that. Isn't that beautiful? Well, so what role will IT play in uplifting the manufacturing sector? Which technology do you foresee emerging out to be a lifesaver?
Uh, 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 should I speak honestly with you
Jeevan,
and
ji sir.
to be honest with myself, I'll say sometimes I feel that being an IT guy for the last 30 years, 35 years, and the complete IT team, we do have the IT operation, and all these operations are operation centric, business operation centric. So there are a couple of things in our manufacturing plant
Hmm.
which the OEM provides.
Hmm.
But plants, once installed, it works for maybe 40 years, 50 years, 30 years. Our plants are also working with the latest technology at that point of time.
I'm
So,
sure.
not much the way we have done for our logistics, for our distribution, for our marketing, sales, finance functions, HR functions, everything, these areas have been done with the latest technology, mobile response, whatever it is, analysis, BI, everything has been put. But the same level of penetration we have not done to our plant manufacturing directly.
Wow.
Okay, but we have done it.
Hmm.
Now the technology, AI based, artificial intelligence based modules and technologies are coming in a big way. And we have already for the last 1 year started in our all the plants, 5 plants, exploring and deploying where we can do the preventive maintenance and predictive failures, breakouts. If I
Yes.
can know that this machine is going to fail after 3 days, and if I take the corrective action today, I can save the breakdown of the plant and machinery. And typically, it's a process plant. In process plant, if one machine is down, the whole plant is down, and
Yes.
cost in crores and crores and crores.
Yes.
Crores is energy is wasted. So we are doing and exploring that area wherein we can save our plant from any breakdown.
Agreed, sir. It has an important role to play, and you seem to use it in a best possible way, which is very good. One should always evolve with the technology. So, how has your organization, IFCO, benefited by moving to the cloud?
Oh, I think a previous conversation I have briefed on it. Just look by going to the cloud. Cloud no more is a thing to think whether we should go to cloud or not.
Yes,
Today, 5 years back, it was like that. Now, the cloud services may be Amazon
yes,
or the Oracle or the Microsoft.
yes.
Everybody is offering from India itself. They
Mhm,
have their cloud set up in India.
mhm,
So that is the best part of it.
mhm.
Cloud gives you the best thing, the uptime,
Yes.
which is most important.
Mhm,
Reliable system, and it works out to be the cost effective.
mhm,
The
mhm,
best part is scalability is there. If
mhm,
there are today I am getting, let's say, 1 lakh order in a month's time.
mhm.
Tomorrow, by virtue of e-commerce, if there can be in after 3 months, I get 10 lakhs of the order.
Yes,
For that, I need the infrastructure. So if you are on cloud, it's a scalable. It will jump start from there. You need not to wait for anything.
yes,
But
yes,
if I have to have my own, then it will take some time to build it.
yes.
So that is the beauty of the cloud, plus the manageability. So there are, it's a faster, cheaper, cost-effective, highly available. So every IT guy knows in today's time. So one has to see how he can move in a phased manner or in a one go. We are trying it, and luckily everybody is from India now, so there is no latency. Response time better. Technically, latency, I am using a word, technical word, but it means the moment you click, you will get the response.
Yes,
But
yes.
if the server is in US, the moment you click, it will take some milliseconds for that response. So that is, uh, I will say, this is the future, and people know it, and there is no more debate on it. Rather,
True,
so
true.
they think if you can go, start doing in a phase manner or in one go.
Totally. Expert resources are not generally available to everyone and everywhere. Through cloud, it gets easy to operate.
Yes, yes.
So
Madam,
what
you know better than me, I think. The
are
word, but the sentence you have used, only the IT guy can say this word.
okay?
So I think you are with the IT background.
No, sir, I don't have. I've been interviewing a lot of, people, and I'm studying everything. I research a lot about you. I've done a lot of research on you, and I've understood what IFCO is also doing. So it was very important, and it comes out very easy when you do research about your work and you know your work better. So hence, through cloud, it gets easy to operate.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So what was the biggest concern, challenge for you as a CIO?
Since challenge, to be very frank, earlier it was a challenge when we have to spread the awareness
Mm,
among the users in the organization. That has few years back.
mm.
At that time, I was not CIO. So, when I become the CIO, by that time, that challenge was over. So,
Mm.
as a CIO, that challenge was.
Okay.
But honestly speaking, the nowadays CIO is main role has become not only to improve the productivity, but to think of increase in the profitability of the organization, or to improve the bottom line of the balance sheet. So he is part and parcel of all the functions.
Okay.
And earlier, the management, maybe the CEO of a company or the director of finance or HR or marketing and other related group, they used to give a cushion for developing a new system.
Okay.
A cushion to develop it, study it, develop it, and implement it. So we used to get time, year time or 6 month time to develop a new system.
Yes.
So let me do the details. For CIO today, a CEO will kick you out if you say, I will take 6 month time to develop this system.
I'm sure. I'm sure it
Today,
must have been.
after 6 months, how you will develop the system, you will not be there after 6 months, Mr. Gupta.
Oh.
So meaning by they need the pace, it's a global challenge, competitive market. The requirement is so urgent. It's a very agile approach. The CIO has to work with these people and it's their genuine requirement. And CIO should not put any limitation to any requirement from any corner of the management. He say, yes, it is doable. Today's time, the management is open with the ideas, with the money, with the resources. They
Yes.
want the solutions. And they don't have the time. The CIO challenge, I will say, is to super fast. He has to be super fast, provide the solution, very agile approach, and don't say no.
Don't say.
Everything is possible.
I'm sure, sir, it must have been very hard, but however, you have achieved great heights and you are so inspiring to so many other at this moment. So, sir, what kind of challenge were you facing that got you looking at AI technology?
AI technology definitely is a future, and in present also they are working using the AI. Uh, there are already models available all over the world, and in agriculture sector, there are models using AI wherein you show the photograph or video if there is any disease in a crop, and using that app, that is AI based, you show it, it will tell this is the disease and
Yes.
these are the pesticide or herbicide or to be used to eradicate this disease. So these are AI based engines. Now the usage of these technology again is there in the developed countries because they have the data set. They have integrated the weather forecasting people, the soil health, the local condition, monsoon condition. Okay, these all together put, and some data is being taken back history and they have been modeled. So in AI, for it is easy to say AI, use AI,
Yes.
but AI need many back-end functions to be seamlessly integrated, and the different people who are heading that vertical in the government or in the departments or in the organization, they have to match at
Yes.
their mental
Yes.
level. Then real benefit of AI can be passed on to the end user. So it's a evolving, already rolled out medical science. They are using AI. AI is being used in the crops, in agriculture sector, in all walks of life. It is being used. But India, I will say it will take some more time. It has to be localized with a localized engine. I need that information. Looking at the history, medical, they have to see how Indians are there in their height, weight, nutrition value, what are their challenges of health, what are the medicines available or what kind of doctors are available. So
Yes.
that has to be built. So lot of work and effort is to be being done by various agencies, and only then we can reap the benefit of AI.
Yes, yes, yes. And that must be really challenging because as a diverse country comes with diverse language, and with that comes that comes with language barriers.
That's true, madam. Today you are sitting over there and I am here, and so many people are sitting in the room. Can anyone can think so many people connected together on this?
Just imagine, sir, how beautiful it is.
The
So
same way things will happen. The same way things will happen.
I'm sure, I'm sure. So,
It
what?
will come sooner or later. People are with a broad-minded. They are with the open-minded. And now in India also, the economic conditions have improved like anything. When you reach to a particular level or stage, like you and me, today you and me are not thinking about how we will run our domestic needs.
Yes,
We
yes,
if, then we start thinking for the people of the country, for
yes,
the organization.
yes.
Like today, as a non-profit organization, you are working. Why you are working? Because your basic needs are being fulfilled. I don't know, whatever way, the best way, everything is being taken care.
Yes,
So
yes.
that you are thinking to do something, give back to the society.
Absolutely. So it is
So
very important to spread such
that
kind of
is-
awareness, the incredible work what you're doing. And it is everybody's empowering in their own ways. So I thought, I mean, this is the platform best I can use to empower our farmers, our youth, our women, our girl, child, even boy, even talk about girl, child. Let's talk about gender equality. Let's talk about policy. Let's talk about governance. So there's so much to talk. So we have been calling diverse inviting people from diverse sector and have a conversation over here. Basically, a leadership talk you can call, a knowledge series you can call, and it is very important. Well,
yes.
so what solution did you come up with, and what Oracle Cloud and AI technology are playing a role in it?
Okay. Although I have covered a bit on this, but the best part is, I say, it's a cloud-based intelligent chatbot integrated with the voice. Okay,
Mm,
and we have integrated at that time with the Google Voice
mm,
platform.
mm,
And this function, like in IFCO, there are 5,000 employees
mm,
approximately.
mm.
So, madam, you and my viewers, I will say, in any organization, maybe some 10% of the people who are doing the bagging work, or they are poorly literate, or you can say illiterate people.
Yes.
And nowadays, as I said, all the functions, like if all your financials, whatever we get from the company, are being on the portal, you have to apply on the portal and you get it. Okay, like applying on your leaves, various workflow you have to do on
Yes.
this. And similarly, for the management, top management, like AMD, if he wants to know what is the total sale of a urea, so
Mm,
he will call a director marketing, tell me what is the sale of urea. Although we have provided the MAS to him, he can go into the portal, but the style, the paucity of time, or the response time, so they always find it is easier. Just left phone, हाँ व्हाट इज द सेल, यूरिया कितना बिका है पूरे इंडिया में, बताओ जरा जल्दी से. आफ्टर 2 minutes it rings left, तो marketing director tells this is the sale of urea. Okay, fine, give back. It is like that. But if you have a mobile in your hand and you say what is the sale of urea, uh, in if MD is asking, it will tell entire country. It will
wow.
tell immediately this is the. If you are a state marketing manager, what is the sale of urea, and you are state marketing manager of Rajasthan, it will tell, it will recognize you are Rajasthan state marketing, so it will
Wow.
tell the sale of. If you are a district head, quota, it will tell quota. So immediately it will tell. So this has been integrated. The voice has been integrated. The people who are not literate or cannot use the system, but God has given him the voice, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
And he is having a mobile, so he can ask from it, I want my EL to be encased. It will ask how many days, it will say 30 days. Okay, that's all. Trust me, in
This is
4 hours, his account will be credited by 30,000 rupees.
Wow. You're talking about IFCO Bazaar portal.
IFCO, no, I am talking about IFCO
Yeah.
application chatbot right now.
Okay. IFCO.
On that. Now our aim is the farmer will use his phone and he will say कि मेरे को यूरिया खरीदना है कहाँ पे मिलेगा तो it will find out कि man is in कोटा उसके
अच्छा.
नियरेस्ट इफको के या दूसरे के सेंटर यहाँ पे है जहां स्टॉक अवेलेबल है तो इट विल टेक ये है तेरे घर के पास जा और अपने यूरिया ले ले
क्या बात
ऐसा नहीं होगा वो जाए और दुकानदार से क्या यूरिया खत्म सो दैट इज आवर एम टू गो फॉर इट अगर आप परमिट दें तो मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूंगा
सर बिल्कुल
ये एप्लीकेशन हमने बनाई और there was a nomination from Oracle San Francisco US okay
yes
so 42 countries have applied their innovation work that so out of 42 3 companies were finalized to be called in San Francisco for this innovation work one was Honeywell USA second was Toyo Gas Tokyo Japan
yes
and third was IFCO India
wow
and there are 50,000 attendees in that event big event so they are when they have to announce the winner they said India is the winner not IFCO.
yes
India is the winner that was the great moment
Such a
and
proud-
that award was for using this technology. Okay. There is only one difference. My Toyo, they have done excellent work, and Honeywell, they have integrated the text with the chatbot, and we have integrated the voice. So that was having an edge over all the people. So that I thought, let me share with you. So India has been awarded for this.
such a proud moment. Just imagine, it's like India has been awarded, and every Indian would be like, "Wow!"
Yeah.
And congratulations to you and your team.
Yeah. It goes to the team.
Yes.
It's the team. Sometimes I become only the front end, and I feel ki these are the people who do it, and people are saying, Gupta ji, you have done it.
But that's your humility is so endearing, and it is always a teamwork. So congratulations, sir. And I also basically feel technology has helped you to cross the barriers, which is great. I think what you are doing is not an easy task, but you make it seem so. So it was a great discussing with you all about these topics. Thank you so much, sir. Your response today were truly and genuinely enlightening. Thank you very much for taking out time to share your mind and inspiring us. Now, moving on to a little fun part of it.
Okay.
Rapid fire, if you allow me to do. I know this is very surprise for you, but yes, I thought let me keep us a bit, tangy in this
Okay.
speaker series. Who inspires you the most?
Honestly speaking, the most dynamic, visionary, and mission-oriented man, Dr. Uday Shankar Awasthi,
Wow.
our MD.
Yes.
Trust me, he inspired millions of people.
I've heard a lot.
And he is such a charismatic person. He has a great Midas touch also. So, but at the same time, I will say, I have to definitely share with you.
Please, sir.
In today's time, I am highly motivated and inspired by Elon Musk, who has done a great work for the entire world for developing electric car by Tesla and SpaceX company where it is going to the space and coming back and a couple of other things. The most important part is the entire world is doing the digital transaction. You and me also do the digital transaction. The entire world. He is the founder person of developing the platform for exchanging the digital transactions, money exchange in a PayPal company.
Yes.
So I have read a lot of about him, and there is a great writer, Tony Seba. Okay, I read his all books. He tells what is going to happen in the next 30 years. The book he has written 20 years back, and whatever he has mentioned in that book, that's what happening today.
What's
So
the name of the book, sir, you said?
it's a 0 to 1, and by Peter Thiel
Ah,
and Tony Seba. He talks about on the transportation and environment and the energy saving and futurist.
wow.
The other things. So uh, there are many who inspire me, but I have to name a few. Please.
Sure. And what is the greatest risk you have ever taken?
Greater risk.
G.
Greater risk, you can say greater risk of getting married to a unknown woman.
Why unknown, sir? If I may ask, love marriage नहीं था या देख बिना
Uh, it was a
होता था?
arranged marriage fixed
Hmm.
by my parents.
Hmm. So
So
that's what even my dad keeps saying, the same thing. I've taken the greatest risk बिना देखे मम्मी पापा ने बोल दिया और कर दी शादी हमने. Yes.
so that was the time. The risk, to be
It's a
very
happier
frank,
risk,
risk
yes.
was in professional life, moving from on premise to the cloud 4 years back, where all our plant databases servers, that was a bit risky. That was the one thing.
I'm sure.
Even going for solutions, ERP solution implementing in the entire country. To me, sometimes we feel that life is going okay, everything is going smooth. Why to get into it? So that was a risky thing was there. Definitely, the risk is there. Risk is there. But without risk, there is no achievement. Risk factor is always there, and uh, even if you say, if I say to management, I will hold the AGM,
Hmm.
virtual AGM,
Hmm.
itself is a big risk.
Absolutely.
If something goes wrong, then you that AGM is the highest level of thing.
Absolutely.
Okay, that was, and the recent time, the most risk thing was the moment the lockdown was declared on Sunday evening. I still remember. I was shaking.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
The entire 800 offices, plants, they have to work. It's a March is approaching, and nobody will be there in the center. No movement. How I will run? It will paralyze the operations.
Yes.
So
But
that was the biggest challenge and biggest risk. I will say my management, my top, my MD, and especially I still remember Director HR, Shri R.P. Singh,
hmm.
and my Senior Executive Director, Finance, Kamal Verma ji, and my MD.
Hmm.
Same day in 15 minutes, we have discussed how to go about, how to maintain that.
Wow.
And they said, Gupta, don't worry, just go ahead, we are with you, whatever may come.
Wow.
And God was with us.
That should.
And the entire IT team was standing like a rock. Every person of IT was together, and we could able to sail through. God has blessed us.
And you are very, I can feel your vibes and energy, how passionate you are about your whole work and how you're taking it so beautifully. So, any risk or any challenges? I mean, I think there, as you said it very well, there will be risk and challenges, but you need to overcome it and you need to face them very, very, there need to be some kind of clarity in life and how to go about. And you have managed it so beautifully.
Here, I will like to share with you also, with my viewers also.
Yes, sir.
I always talk with my colleagues here and my seniors and juniors also. Key fallback and or the problems, they will keep on coming. Those are not in our hands.
Yes.
But how we respond back,
Yes.
how fast we come up,
Pick up yourself.
pick up yourself, how you bounce back,
Yes.
that is in your hand.
Yes.
And that matters.
That matters. Yes.
We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow.
Yes.
But after happening, we should know how to overcome it.
Absolutely, sir. I would also want to share one small story about me. This is the third time I'm fighting cancer.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
So just a week back, I had my this surgery done. If you see this mark over here, 2 years back, I had survived cancer, and then just last week, I had another surgery. This is the third time I'm surviving cancer. You won't believe the very next day I just started it, working.
I just can't believe the way you are smiling, the way you are posing, the way you are. How to believe?
Yes, नहीं sir.
The food.
So मैंने वही sir, why I am sharing this to inspire people. I always share this story about myself because this has inspired myself. कैंसर यहाँ होता है सर,
Ah,
अगर यहाँ और कोई भी कैंसर हो सकता है वो. Now like for example even the COVID, अगर यहाँ पे होता तो शायद हम काम भी नहीं कर पाते.
true, very true.
The very next day my mother, my sister, every day they call me, they tell me तुम रेस्ट नहीं कर रही हो, तुम्हारी सर्जरी हो गई and you started working. I said अगर रेस्ट करती तो शायद बीमार हो जाती.
Pakka, pakka.
आप
But
मानते हैं
you
ना?
are so radiating. How to breathe?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Well, so moving forward, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
My anger.
Oh, yeah, गुस्सा आता है बहुत.
I really feel very bad.
Okay.
I am not very good with my juniors, and sometimes
Sometimes it's important to be that way, the way you are. So it's okay.
I am good with my kids, definitely.
Hmm.
But sometimes I overdo with wife also. So that is where I want to improve upon, and especially with
quite-
my peers and colleagues and juniors in the office, and especially the people who are directly my driver. These people, sometimes I shout on them. So that is the area I want to improve.
But that's very honest to accept like this on a live show. I mean, just imagine your humility is so endearing. This is the second time I'm telling, because it's not easy to accept what you have said now. That shows you don't really mean it what you're doing it. You just ho jata hai kabhi kabhi. Yes, yes. Place where you love being the most.
Can you repeat?
So any place you love being the most? कोई जगह जैसे हिमालय हो गया, घर पे रहना अच्छा लगता है. Abroad,
Mountains,
nature,
definitely. Mountains.
mountains, okay.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड सबसे ज्यादा मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों मेरे को लोगों के बीच में रहना अच्छा लगता है. फ्रेंड्स हो या कहीं, तो वही वाला है जहाँ चार यार मिले वही हो गुलजार, वो वाली बात. तो मेरे को कंपनी में रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Very nice.
सच बता रहे हैं. आई कैन नॉट लिव अलोन. इवन मेरे ऑफिस वाले सब जानते हैं कि गुप्ता जी अकेले नहीं होंगे, कोई कोई होगा. ऐसे ही करते. तो आई लव दैट. और बाकी तो आई एंजॉय all my life. I used to play cricket all my, and tennis, lawn tennis, and as a regular swimmer I am there. So these are I keep something like that.
That was my next question. What is your favorite hobby? और आपने पहले ही बता दिया.
Reading books. Just I get up early at 4 o'clock daily in the morning.
Wow.
And 1 hour goes to reading the books.
What kind of books you involve yourself in?
Just I will show you. Can you see?
Wow. Yeah.
The word is flat, the most inspiring. The word is hot, flat, and crowded. And this is the one book I was telling you.
Yeah.
And if you really want to know, there are number of books. I read books, all kind of books. And special, I will say, the monk who sold off his Ferrari.
The monk who sold his Ferrari. Yes. Incredible. Yes, I read it.
Seagulls, again, if you read it, very small book, The Seagulls.
Yes,
So,
yes.
and Anthony Robbins,
Yes.
the most inspiring books. And there is not a single book which I have not read from Dale Carnegie. All books read.
Really?
All books read and not once.
Hmm.
Many books, maybe 5 times, 6 times.
Wow.
Stop worrying and start living. Uh,
Yes, yes,
Number
yes.
of things. How to influence people, uh,
Hmm.
how to win friends. So I am reading for the last. I started in '84. These books I keep on reading after 2 3 years. I just repeat it.
So next time when I come to Delhi, I'll definitely going to check your all the collections. And your favorite, and the very last question: if you were to be the prime minister for a day, what is the first thing you would do?
Oh, very, very, very ticklish question. Very difficult. Uh, Maybe the first thing I have to put a lot of. There are so many things on the priority, but one thing uh, I would like to do is is to free all the poor people in the entire country from their any financial loan, be it from a private players or from Bania or a cooperative or from banks, for a very poor people up to a certain level.
Such a
I
noble.
want they should have a one day when the sun rises, they see the sun is rising.
Yes. Such a noble thought. Thank you so much for being incredibly thoughtful about the most vulnerable people. Sir, before we conclude, a few word of wisdom or advice would you like to give our audience?
Yeah, I will say first thing, all of us of any age class, believe in yourself,
Mm.
have a full confidence.
Mhm.
Failure are our success, and to a greater extent,
Mm.
be honest and truthful.
True, true, true.
And most important, be truthful to yourself.
एकदम सही कहा. एकदम सही कहा. So, would you like to give a message for my platform, Social Tables?
Yes, this is the need of the arts, what you are doing. What note is available in India on all front, on spiritualities, on yoga, on business tactics, on mantras, everything is available. So there should be a platform, there should be a widespread awareness program in all walks of the life. So by doing this, you are doing a great service for all class of people. I have also seen your tweets, your this Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and you are on all social platforms. It was amazing. Uh, the kind of work has been done. I can't believe is such a young and in an early age. I don't know. I look at you as a very low age lady. How I can believe this is a magnificent work you are doing. These platform others should also come and you should also help them. There should be a chain of platforms similar to you,
Yeah.
and the people should support platforms run by you. And the most beautiful part is everybody says he empower the woman, empower the woman. Any lady or gents, whenever will look at you, it speaks. This is how you can empower a woman. How a woman is empowering the males. You are empowering and encouraging and motivating the men. That's
Thank
the
you
great
so
thing
much,
about
sir.
it.
Thank you so much.
Keep growing. The
You have
best is
acknowledged my work so beautifully, and I feel so happy about it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your blessings, sir. I'm truly overwhelmed. Well, wow. So that was an extraordinary response. And before I conclude, I would also want to say one thing. You may be happy to know that we have just tied up with, collaborated with Government of India, and we are doing Abdul Kalam Innovation Series.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Congratulations.
So
And
thank
all
you
the
so
best.
much. Thank you so much. So October 15th is our former President Abdul Kalamji's birthday, and we are launching a program on the same
Great.
day with Government of India. So we are doing Abdul Kalam Innovation Series, and they are all Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri awardees. So, and they have been recognized globally, and we'll be having them all here. So it is important to have various sectors of a diverse background people on a platform. Apart from, managing directors, MDs, CEOs, politicians, we are also targeting these most vulnerable people who has never got such kind of
Yeah.
platform to come and talk about it. So that is the thing what we are doing with.
So
Yes.
that's great. And all the best. My
Thank
best.
you so much, sir.
And
Thank you.
anything from my side, I am always available
Yes, sir.
for always.
Thank you so much, sir. In fact, I was also talking to Tarunji about doing a series for farmers with IFCO. So maybe if something works out, we'll definitely do that, say 15 to 20 series with IFCO to empower, to spread the awareness, to talk about the schemes you're doing on youth, on women, and on various digital platform. What you're doing is incredible. And yeah, something maybe we'll talk about it later. That was an extraordinary response from you. That was really fast. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Let me take an opportunity to give you a vote of thanks. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks to Mr. A.K. Gupta ji, who, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this special interaction. Special interaction. We are extremely grateful to you, sir, for sharing your words of encouragement and giving us valuable inputs. Your eminent presence has indeed made this interaction a memorable one, and we unite to thank you from the bottom of our heart for your kindness, interest, and support. We wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Stay safe.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.